Why create a child-safe profile on Android?
Protecting kids online is essential. Setting up a child-safe profile on your Android device can help limit access to inappropriate content, restrict in-app purchases, and keep your child's personal information private. With built-in options like restricted profiles or kids mode, Android offers practical ways to create a safer digital environment for children.
Check your device's options.
Not all Android devices are the same. Before starting, check your device settings. On many tablets, you'll find options for restricted user profiles. Newer Samsung and some other brands may offer Kids Mode or Samsung Kids. If you can't locate these, look for Family Link in the Google Play Store for parental controls.
Setting up a restricted user profile.
On supported tablets, follow these steps. Go to Settings, tap Users, then Add User or Profile. Choose Restricted Profile. You'll be asked to set up a screen lock. Name the profile, then select which apps and features the child can use. Switch to this profile whenever your child uses the device.
Activating Kids Mode or Samsung Kids.
For Samsung devices, enable Kids Mode or Samsung Kids. Open Settings, tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, then select Samsung Kids. Follow the prompts to install and set up. You can then customize age-appropriate apps and set playtime limits for your child's profile.
Using Google Family Link for supervision.
Google Family Link provides remote supervision. Download Family Link from the Google Play Store on your device and your child's. Follow in-app instructions to link accounts. With Family Link, you can approve apps, set screen time limits, and monitor activity even if your device doesn't support restricted profiles.
Tips for extra child safety.
Stay involved in your child's online experience. Update apps and device settings regularly. Talk to your child about internet safety and encourage open conversation. Periodically review which apps are accessible. Remember, technology should complement strong communication and guidance to help your child thrive in the digital world.